Welcome back to Gray Man Walking. My wife Beth and I had Brewer's kids for several days, about the end of the June, and we decided we'd just take a trip down to the Tennessee, North Carolina border area. And I wanted to show Beth some of the high points of my walk last year through that area, and I wanted to see a couple of the places that I didn't get to see last year due to the weather. There's a few places down there that you can kind of walk to, or I mean drive to, so I took advantage of that. We rented an Airbnb in Elizabethton, right on the river there. Very nice place, and good little base to go out and do the things we were after. We also did a little bit of a family hike there on the third day. We'll show you that. And my daughter Slider is going to have an announcement of her own towards the end, so hope you'll stick around for that. All right, here we go. Back on the AT.
Wait, what do blue blazes do?
Alright, this is top of Max Patch. Last time I came through here, I couldn't see anything. That's all you're going to see at Max Patch today. Last time I came across Round Bald, it was completely socked in. So one of the reasons I wanted to come back to the edge of North Carolina and Tennessee is hit a couple of these high spots that I missed. Beth and I brought Evan's kids down. We've been down here for a few days. We caught the sunset at Beauty Spot, and yesterday we walked across Max Patch. That was also socked in when I came through. So looking forward to getting a view on Jane Bald and Little Hump and Big Hump. We're a little over 2 miles in for the day. Just filtered a little bit of water. Okay, we're about 7 miles in for the day. That's looking south. And that's kind of east. This is where we're going. This is to the west. And that's Hump Mountain. After we get over there, it's all downhill, as they say.
Great, man. What are you doing out here?
Nothing but.
I thought you weren't a hiker anymore.
I'm not. Just ask my legs.
Worth it?
Sun came out long enough to get this shot. That's a Big Hump Mountain. And somewhere about right up there, I can see a couple hikers walking. Calling for mixed weather by 2 o'clock. Kind of looks like that way. Hump Mountain on a clear day. Slider, what you think?
I'm having my
This bald prettier than your daddy's bald head.
I'm having a grand time. This was worth it for sure.
You think it was worth it, Caleb?
Yeah.
Yeah. Brewer?
Yes.
8 Mile. Woman, a few words. Big thunderstorm over there. the wind's blowing that way across us. So hopefully won't have to deal with any lightning bolts up here at almost 6,000 feet. We were sure glad to see the sun last year. All right, that's it for our little Tennessee, North Carolina jaunt. I had a good time down there with Brewer's kids, and it went very well. I was very happy. A little hike here at the end to tie it all up, and as promised, Slider here's got a little something she wants to share with you all.
So, as you all might recall, last summer I started on the long trail. Gray Man and I did 54 miles on his AT hike, and 54.4 to be exact, into Manchester Center. And I thought, 54.4, let's finish it.
When she says let's, she means her.
Yes, me. Not him. Just me. That's me talking to myself. And so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go finish the last 18 miles of the long trail.
All right, so Slider's going to put her information there in the description, and you all want to follow along. Those of you who kind of met her last year, I think you probably will. So that's that. Anything else we got to tell the people?
Gray Man just out here still not hiking.
I'm loving retirement. I do miss you all, and till next time.